Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to be dressing up my 2005 Toyota Tacoma with a tonneau cover. I'm Jerry, and I'm living the Newcomb life. Alright guys, so this is a Tiger T1 tonneau cover from tigerauto.com. Looks like weather stripping, the tonneau cover itself. Here's the side rails, the clamps, and of course the directions. All right guys, so this kit for my 2005 Toyota Tacoma came with 6 clamps. These are how the clamps originally come, but for my Toyota Tacoma you have to change out to use these clamps, and you need 3 on each side, and it just goes into this channel right here and it just slides in just like that. Really easy. So the first part of this is assembling the cover. So the first thing that you got to do is you need to go ahead and grab this, and you need to ensure that this curved part is facing the cab of the truck, and then you need to place that and orient it in the right position. Now, in doing so with this cover, you'll notice there's a significant gap down here. So what the company provides in the instructions is this this insulation piece here that actually fits in that gap to help take care of that. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure that, cut it to length. It's got a 3M adhesive on the bottom. We're going to remove that and place that right on top. All right, so I just measured it, and now I'm going to cut the foam. All right. So we already cleaned this with a cleaner, and now we're just gonna put it down. All right, now take the front of the tonneau cover. Here's the L shape on each side, and then what we have to do is we have to loosen this screw right here and put the side rails in, and then tighten that screw. Bring the back towards you. There you go. Good. Good. All right. Push it. Needs to be pushed more. There. Right there. That's it. Nice. that looks good. Yeah, sturdy. All right. Go ahead and loosen that one up. But that looks good. All right, guys, so we just checked, and the gap that is up here that we filled with that foam, there's still about this much of a gap left right here between the foam and the rolled up tonneau cover. So they did supply this for that gap, and I'm just going to measure and cut it and lay this down so that no water will be able to get in from here. You want me to pull this back so you can... It should be fine, just like that. Oh, watch it. I'm just putting it right in the middle. That's much better. Yep, that did it. That's good. Yeah, no gap at all now. No, that's good. Here's the original clamp. I need to take this apart. And this upper portion goes into this channel here and slides down right into that. And then you put everything together, but you want to make sure that it is in that channel. One of the notes in the directions, they said do not over tighten these, so you want them snug +1, because if you over tighten this, you'll bend the rail and then it won't seal correctly. Good. Oh, I like how that bows up. That looks good. Okay, now this is where we're gonna... Oh. That looks good. Yeah, so the release is here. Mm-hmm. So when you close it, you've got these sharp points. Looks good. Pops down. Is it supposed to sit up like that? Well, let's close this. Yeah, that looks great. Wow. Well, that sits on there like it was made for it. That looks awesome. And if these are bowed up, yeah, to help keep the rainwater off. Yep. I think we lock it down. What do you think? Yeah, I think we're ready. Did you see that though? It's like sealed. Absolutely. Yeah, that looks great. All right. And then you got the release. So the release is a strap. Go ahead, pull it on your side. So the strap is on both sides. So it doesn't matter what side of the truck that you're on, you can release it. let's leave it like that, and then let's go ahead and lock it in with the screws. Well, what else do we need to lock in? We need to screw these down harder. Not much. That's on you, but yeah. Because remember, you put Loctite on them, and that's a locking nut, so it shouldn't be backing off. Yeah, but you can move it some, can't you? Yeah, so maybe maybe half a turn. Don't over tighten them, bro. Oh, come on. You know how we are. We over tighten everything. Easy. How's that feel? Oh, look, the whole truck's moving. That's solid. I like that. Okay, check this side. Okay. Yeah, so that's a little loose here. Yeah, man, she's solid. I like it. That's a nice cover. That's a nice cover. Alright guys, so that is the Tiger T1 tonneau cover on my 2005 Toyota Tacoma, and you guys just saw us do it from start to finish. It was really pretty straightforward. I expected it to be a little more complicated than it was, but apparently it's not. Yeah, well, there are a couple more things that you can do, like if you have to adjust it, right, you can adjust it here to make the tonneau a little bit tighter, but it seemed to fit perfect. Yeah, as soon as we set it. So if this video helped you guys out, go ahead and leave a comment for us below. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it really helps our channel grow. And hit that notification bell so you're up to date on all of our upcoming videos. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one. So what do you think? Do I need to go down any more? You've got Loctite and a locking nut. I'm confident you're good. You may want to check it like in a month or so, yeah, after driving it some, to see if it backs off a little. But in all honesty, you're done. You're golden.